So as I have been discussing yesterday that the Nifty stance was not very clear. Over here we were not very clear how and which direction Nifty will proceed in. But as I told you, if it crosses up and the candles take, like go above the moving average, then I feel it will become a very, very beautiful support. Right? To me, it looks very, very good support. The only thing that I'm visualizing right now is that there may be a bit of profit booking coming in the sense, not much. It may come down to about from wherever it is right now, about 20, 30 point, and then it may bounce back from there, like, or it may come up to this point, which is about 40 points, right? But it has got a huge, enormous support at 10,300, and I would like to show you that with the help of, option chain of Nifty. Now see here, we will see. I mean, I'm going to refresh it after some time. So I opened it about a couple of 10 minutes back. So this is 10,400. You can see this 10,400 and see the amount of call unwinding happening at all the levels. All the levels. See, from here till here, there's call unwinding happening at all the levels. Every single level there's call unwinding happening. And so that means there is, upside is now unlimited, like where we don't know where will it go. I can see the next stopover that I can see clearly is 10,500, right? If it crosses 10,400, where are we right now? 10,351. If it crosses 10,400, then the next stopover is not going to be, then it's going to have a little hurdle at 10,500, nothing before that. And if you look in on the downside at 10,300, we can see at 10,300 there is, huge put writing, right? That is kind of going to give it a support. That means if Nifty falls from this level, which is 10,350, it is not going to fall below 10,300. And to me, if you ask me, I've told you many times, let me go back and explain it to you. Many a times I've explained you, if the moving average takes a support or moving average takes a resistance, that is a very, 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 beautiful trade. Now see here, can you see this 50 moving average taking a resistance, and this 10 moving average went up and then came down? It becomes a very, very beautiful trade. Now let's see, let's go back here and see what's going to happen. We are here, right? Now, when do we say that the trade is beautiful or nice or convincing? When this 50 moving average crosses in the upward direction, right? Then we would be able to say in a very confident way that Nifty is in uptrend. And in a very, very broad sense, it will make a kind of a head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder pattern as well, right? So this 50 moving average, if possible today, if not today, then tomorrow or the day after, it has to cross in the upward direction. If it does so, then I think Nifty definitely will have its different targets. Let's talk about its different targets. So first one is 10,400 definitely. Then we have the previous high, which is 10,490, and then definitely 10,000, just a sec, let me just see what's happening in the market. Okay, not bad, not bad. So then it will be 10,500, right? And let's see from here, let me just refresh it and see is there any other change. So the next, see, call unwinding at all the levels. So even 10,600 will also be in sight. Like we can really look for 10,600 also, right? So I believe it, it will easily cross 10,400. There is no hindrance for that. There is no way there is any hindrance for crossing 10,400. There won't be. And it's a huge support at 10,300, right? There is no way it's going to go below that. Okay, at least today. And as it is, you can see if we look into graphically, it has a good support at the point 10,328, right? So I have drawn another SMA, which is 450 moving average. See here, it's taken a resistance from there and it has taken a support here, went up and coming down. So wherever it comes down, I think first support it will experience will be at 10,328. Okay, so I think I was looking into this moving average, but if I look into this 200 moving average, 50 moving average has already crossed. So I think there's nothing much of hurdle for Nifty to have an uptrend, right? Right now, wherever we stand, Nifty looks to me in a positive zone, right? See, I mean, we have given you Suven Life Sciences, right? Look into Suven Life Sciences. Where did we give it to you? We gave it at 196. We gave it at 196, and right now 203, right? Which, and even it touched high of 204 or 205. It even touched 205. That means a good about 5, 6, 7, 8 points up, about 4% up in just, I mean, not even 3 hours of trading properly, right? So this is how, when you analyze your trades correctly, you will be able to also identify such beautiful trades. All right. All the pharma stocks are doing too good today. I mean, every pharma stock, you look into Sun Pharma, you look into Suven, you look into in Dr. Reddy, you look into Cipla, you look into any stock that you have in mind. Even Dr. Reddy, for that matter, I believe is doing good today, right? Dr. Reddy is also up by 69 points. So all the pharma stocks have been just doing too good today, right? And they look pretty promising. See how much it has fallen, and for so many days Lupin was in horizontal range, right? Today it had given a kind of a breakout. This breakout has come today, and that has become very, valuable, because it has now, if it crosses 844, right? If Lupin crosses this barrier of 844, then it will be a very, very good opportunity. This barrier, if Lupin crosses, then it will be a good opportunity. I'm 100% sure it's struggling to overcome this barrier. Once it has been overcome, I think there will be a good upside that we can look for. Definitely we can look for a good upside. Upward momentum is what we can definitely look into, right? So Lupin looks very, very good. Down and out stock right at the bottom. See from where it started falling. Just see where it started falling. It started falling from the peak of 2,100, and where is it available at today? 844 rupees. So that makes it how many points below? 1100 plus 200, 1300 points down. Good at about 40% valuation, right? What it was in 2015 at just 40% of valuation, right? I believe it's a very, very good opportunity. It is definitely a very good opportunity to enter into Lupin. It looks definitely to me very, very promising. It definitely looks to me very, very promising. But let's see. Okay. So pharma stocks are definitely doing good. I'm sure there is something, Cadila Health, even Cadila Health is there on my radar for quite many days. And it has been doing pretty well for the past few days. Trade, right, bottomed out stock, and then it is going up. Did you all buy on my recommendation, Ratan India Power? Do you remember? I just gave it to you guys at least on Monday. And what is it today? It is just Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. When I gave it to you, it was about 7.55 or so, right? And see this beautiful run up, right? I was talking to you about at this point, and see this about from good 20-25% return in just 2 days. I don't think so anything could be a better proposition, right? So if you want to understand this kind of these kind of trades, how do you figure them out? How do you figure out the stocks which are on the verge of having a breakout, you will have to learn. You will have to learn and then earn market money from the market. And what I'm suggesting, I mean, I know people have been just saying whatever they need to say, that you are very expensive. I mean, we are not dividing our course into segments. We are not making, okay, if you do this much, we'll charge 10,000, only this much, 10,000. We just have one single course, right? We just have one single course, and that course itself is, you know, enough for you to understand the entire length and breadth and depth of the market, right? We are not dividing our course into any segments. Everything that we know and everything that we want to teach is under one, you know, course. So you will find people charging you 10,000 rupees, but then they will divide the entire course into 5 parts. We are not doing that, and we are not playing with your emotions. If you feel convinced, if you feel that we have the ability to identify good trades and give it to you, join it. Otherwise, please don't do that. You know, you have options to learn from so many other people. 1, 2, you have options to lose money in the market as much as you wish to. I mean, we are not going to, we're just here to teach you. We are here to, and we are ensuring that you will get it back, right? So I don't see a reason why, you know, you should be having any issue about it. Just, you know, we are ensuring you will return your money back. We will, through the trades, we will ensure you have got your money back. That is our guarantee. That is something you will yourself be able to realize while in the process of doing this course, how and what we are teaching and how it's just nailing the stocks, right? So make up your mind. We are starting on 2nd of December. Every day I get at least 10 to 15 to 20 calls about the webinar. And I'm so happy that you people are wanting to learn and earn and understand the market, because I'm sure, I mean, you are not going to work on anybody's tips. That is something you have to promise yourself, because the moment you take tips from anybody, you lose the control of your trades. Losing the control of your trade means, you know, you don't know when to enter, when to exit. You should be able to analyze, understand, and then make correct entry into the trades. Okay, so let's quickly, okay, I want to analyze Bank Nifty also for you guys today. So I have been, you know, yesterday also I analyzed Bank Nifty. So wherever I was saying Bank Nifty looks to me more positive than Nifty, right? See how it has taken a turn, how the 10 moving average has taken a turn. It's on a support, right? This 50 moving average is becoming a support. If candles go above this 10 moving average, one can definitely expect a good run up. Till what point? Nobody is going to stop its run up till another, you know, 50-60 points. Whatever is it's already up by 60 points, so I can still expect another 50-60 points coming in. If the candles, I mean, we'll probably have to wait for another few minutes. Let's the candle form above 10 moving average. Let me go and see what's happening into its option chain, right? Probably that'll give us a bit of better idea. So what's happening in the option chain? The ceiling that you see here, you can see the ceiling out here. It's 26,000. The ceiling is at 26,000, right? And upper ceiling, and the lower ceiling is at what point? So if I see the highest call writing is at this level, right? This level, and even this level is call writing. That means 25,700, right? So Bank Nifty doesn't go below 25,700 or 25,800, right? It doesn't go below that. And if it goes up, till what point will it go? Another 200 point run up we can definitely look into. Right now it's roughly about 25,800. So if it goes above this moving average, we can definitely see Bank Nifty making a new high, right? We can definitely look for Bank Nifty making a new high. So let's wait and watch. Let's wait and watch and see what's happening. All right. So to me, Bank Nifty definitely looks very, very good. I mean, as of now on a support. So I am expecting it to give a good run up. And one stock that is on my radar since yesterday is Idea. It's, I don't know, somehow I was expecting this breakout since morning, and I have entered into the position. I have bought its shares and I'm waiting, and the breakout has come. The breakout has come now. I have bought I have positions in Idea, and now the breakout has come. So I'm expecting, for the next, today's Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, my target, let me give you my targets for next couple of days. So let me take you here, and from there I can tell you that the target of, at least next target is 105. Hopefully it should meet that target today itself, and if it doesn't, then tomorrow it definitely will meet. And the next target that I'm expecting is 110, right? These are my targets for Idea. I'm 100% expecting an upward breakout, right? I definitely am expecting a good breakout in Idea, right? And I'm that's what one of my stock is. The other stock that I have on my radar for buying is JSW Steel, right? This looks very, very good to me, because I've seen a lot of buying coming in this particular stock yesterday, right? So it is definitely looking very good to me. JSW Steel. Let's see. I mean, I want you people to analyze my whatever I say. I'm sure you will have more trust when you will see things happening, right? So right now, since yesterday, the members who are in my Rockers group, I told them to keep, Idea on radar, and Idea will give a good return. I'm giving you on the open forum. The first target from my side will be at least 105. If it crosses 102.7, you will definitely, somewhere you will find 105 definitely reaching, if possible today. If not today, tomorrow definitely I'm expecting it to give us that target. Okay, so let's see, let's wait and watch, because that's what my prediction is. And before I close, let me talk about Nifty again. So Nifty is bouncing back. You can see Nifty, it does not plan to go down. All right. So when you are an intraday trader, Nifty's direction matters a lot, right? You should never go against the direction of against the direction of Nifty, right? And I am doing every day almost two three trades in intraday, because I need to show, teach my people as well in the webinar, and to quite an extent it's hitting the target. So as I told you, on my radar is, I have Idea on my radar, I have Bata, this is Bata India on my radar, and I have JSW Steel on my radar. These are three stocks for me for intraday, and targets for Idea I've already given. So guys, before I close, once again, I really want to see you all in my webinar, because learn it. I'm promising you return of your 30,000 rupees through the trades which you will learn, right? And do not fall into emotional trap. If you feel we are teaching and we are making correct, predictions, that you can go through my Telegram channel and watch it over there, and you can go back to my YouTube videos and see date by whatever I have said, whether it complied to that or not. If you feel convinced, go for it. And we are promising that you will understand the insights of market, how market moves, what moves the market, how do you be in the same direction as the market is like so many times, market is going up and we are shorting it, and market is going down and we are buying it. So those are the things we need to avoid, and to understand that, we need to understand the finer nuances of the market. All right. So I am really waiting for you all and learn about the market. Okay. And I am expecting definitely Nifty to go up. That is my personal prediction. Nifty looks very good to me. All right. So with this, I'm signing off, but I'm waiting for you guys. I really want to help you out, to make you understand, to make you feel in control of the market, right? Not to feel at all that, you don't understand market. I don't want that. And again, I'm just watching idea. Hopefully it should give us good return. All right. So this is what I wanted to share with you all, that if you are sitting in the market, you should know about equity, you should know about future, you should know about options, you should know about intraday trading, you should know about every segment of the market, right? And with that, when you know that, your confidence level will be different, right? You will be able to trade properly. I was thinking to quickly, I have 1 or 2 minutes, let me just take up the questions that you people have asked me. You know, I don't want to answer your questions about what do you think about this stock or what do you think about that stock. That you should have been knowing by now, what I mean by different stocks, right? So I don't want to discuss those with you. So let me take up some questions if I could. I just encountered with your YouTube today, and I feel it's only YouTube channel. It's the only YouTube channel who makes us understand the analysis part. Apart from suggesting stocks and gaining high profits, understanding them and gaining low profits is better way for a consistent player. And you're trying to make us that. Kudos to you. Thank you so much, Chris. And you know, I have analyzed it yesterday. To me, I had no problem with VIP clothing, and let me just once again quickly see VIP clothing again. But if I have looked into all the parameters. To me, it looks fine. I have no issues about it. Then the other stock that you have all problem is 𝐻𝐵 Ventures, right? That also looks pretty fine to me. I have no issues. So you can hold it for 10 days. Now, some stocks give you a breakout next day. Some they take some time and then give you a breakout. So it's okay. I mean, we are investors. Of course, sometimes we do get fast returns and many a times we don't, right? So that is okay. Now, I think somebody has sent me how to do the multiple charts in a single screen on Zerodha. So I think you need to download a app which divides your screen into 4 parts, and then you can open 4 different windows of Zerodha. You can do that. I think there's a video also available on it, right? So now 𝐻𝐵 Venture looks good to me. Don't worry. It's just 2 rupee down. A loss of 100 rupees. Don't worry about it. VIP clothing is also fine. I'm finding it good. I have no issues. Syntax Plast. I mean, I can just check it for you, although I don't want to do it because you know my setup now, how I analyze that also, you know, but still I will just quickly do it. Syntax plus Industries. So Syntax Industries in the downtrend, I wouldn't be entering into it. If you are entered into it, just hold it. That's the only thing I can suggest you. This is this looks fine. You know, this is okay. This one is okay. Its target could be about this point, which is 90 rupees. If you have it, keep it in your platform. It's fine. It's doing okay. It's doing good, right? No issues about it. So these were some of the comments that I wanted to go through. 𝐿𝐴, we know that it's doing pretty well. Today also it's doing good. 𝐿𝐴, right? So it's doing pretty fine. You know, like I think it's going to go up. If you have it on your portfolio, just keep it there. You don't need to worry. Fine. So two segments which are doing too good today. One of them is definitely the pharma sector. The other one is tire sector, right? You look into 𝐶𝐻 or you look into Apollo tires, whichever segment you want to see, all of them are doing pretty good. So this is Apollo tires, huge momentum today, and this is 𝐶𝐻 tires. And my members who have done webinar with me, they knew about it. Many of them have created positions in 𝐶𝐻, many of them, right? And many of them have bought Suven, and many of them have bought, every one of them have bought Ratan India Power, right? And see the beautiful run up on all of them. So guys, this is what I wanted to share, but I really want to see you at the webinar. Be there. I'm ensuring all your money, you will be able to recover. And once, you know, and you have the learning for your life. Just take that first step, enroll, and start learning. We ensure that you get your money back. That is something I'm telling you time and again. It's a matter of only 1.5 months or 2 months. We will ensure whatever is your investment, you get it back, right? There will be nobody in this entire YouTube space or stock market who is so confident about trades. Okay, with the wish that you all are there, I'm signing off. We'll meet tomorrow once again and we'll talk about some new stocks. Watch out our Telegram channel for new stocks. I'm going to sit down now and search some penny stocks for you which will give you good returns in near future. Bye bye, good day, see you tomorrow.